Welcome to your haven of tranquility, located in a prestigious address in the heart of Nawala. Welcome to this property tour that brings serenity straight to your soul. Hi everybody, welcome to Nawala. Today's property is an exciting one. It brings serenity, it brings a sense of charm and peacefulness because that's exactly what emanates within you when you walk in. Now this is your front entrance. You sort of have, from your main door to your right, you have a parking for two vehicles. You have a beautiful water feature on your left, and then you sort of come into your home, which is your space for living and entertaining. On this side, we have a guest room that is perfect when you're having people to stay over. You have your powder room and basically your guest washroom on this side. So this is your living space. You're welcome with an abundance of green right in front of your eyes. And right next to it, you have this lovely ornamental fish tank that adds a lot of vibrance to the space. And then you have your living space. Now let me tell you a very important fact. Everything that you see within this property tour comes with this property, and that's an amazing deal because it's just simply plug and play for you. Now look at this living space. It's absolutely beautifully comes together. The furniture pieces, the accent colors, the blue, the teal sofa, the brown sofa just beautifully blends in and makes this sort of living space so much more lively and so much more vibrant. But that's not all. Then you have this floor to ceiling glass sliding doors, which sort of creates a beautiful indoor-outdoor experience. I can push these doors all the way to that side and I can create a lovely evening experience for family and friends for entertainment. And here is your dining space. But just take a moment and appreciate the way the colors come together. You have a beautiful setting there with brown, yellow, cream, dark gray, and then you have a bit of sophistication with this blue color that pops out and creates an additional vibrance to this sort of dining area right here. You have your fully equipped kitchen, but you're seated and you're eating to this beautiful tranquil view. All you see is green, and that's an amazing feeling. So this is your outdoor garden space. You have a decent sort of area right here to just sit and chill. But amazing fact is that you also have this additional reservation space. Now this space is forever, at least for the foreseen future, going to be unobstructed, unutilized, and it sort of really adds to the value of the property because all you see here is beautiful green. We now come up to the first floor of the apartment. You have this door here, ideal if you have a bunch of pets, so you can keep them in their designated areas without having them scurrying about. You have your first bedroom up here. You have a large bedroom here which is converted into a beautiful cozy TV lounge, TV room, and then you have your master bedroom on this side and you have an additional room here. So you have 4 rooms on this floor, 1 guest room downstairs and 4 rooms on the second floor. So this is your cozy TV lounge with the perfect size in terms of the TV aspect for you to watch your favorite movie. You have this cozy sofa over here for you to just sort of sink in, stretch your legs and enjoy your favorite TV show. And most importantly, it all opens up to this spectacular green view right here. You have movies for all ages across all generations, so I think you have plenty to sort of keep your entertainment going on for quite a while. Welcome to your master bedroom. This bedroom is spacious. The color tones are so serene. You have this warm white, light mint green, and right in front of you, you have this canvas of nature just sort of looking at you. It's an amazing feeling. And then you have the bed, sort of the king size bed placed over here. It's a nice feeling to sort of see so much of green in front of you. And that sort of aspect is further amplified because of these wide glass windows that you have that bring in a lot of good light, keeps the entire place illuminated, and it just feels so good being in this master bedroom. And here, the most exciting part of your master bedroom, your his and her walk-in closet space. You have ample space, you have storage space for your luggage, you have space for your clothes, your accessories, your watches, whatever you want can be stored perfectly and safely. Welcome to your rooftop, the second floor of this property. I came up the stairs, you have another room right in the back that also has ample storage space, perfect for your storage and keeping anything. You have a utility space over here, and then you have this artificially grass turfed rooftop deck for you to host and entertain under the starlit sky. An amazing experience if you're living in this property. Now, this property also comes with a 6 kilowatt solar. You have a 5.5 kilowatt generator, so it's always handy to have a low utility bill and an emergency current or electricity supply during an emergency, which always is useful in a house. I'm just enjoying this moment on this rooftop deck. I can only imagine what it's like to just host family, host friends, entertain, and just spend a nice tranquil moment on this rooftop deck. Now, this property is very unique. This investment is very special because, as I mentioned before, this is truly a haven of tranquility. A prestigious address in Nawala gives you accessibility, gives you residential value. You have that sense of seclusion, that sense of serenity, that sense of privacy when you live in a secluded community like this. I came back to the living room at the bottom on the ground floor just to appreciate how everything comes together. The flooring here is all treated timber, and this property, which is 5,000 square feet of living, entertaining and private spaces, comes together in the most tranquil manner. Friends, if you haven't liked or subscribed to 73 Avenue, now is the best time to do so. You get all the updates, all the prestigious properties that we bring to you. This right here is a property located in the heart of Nawala, a gated community, a 9-perch property with 5,000 square feet of living and entertaining spaces. You have a guest bedroom with ensuite on the ground floor. On the first floor, you have 3 bedrooms with ensuite and a cozy TV lounge. You have a rooftop equipped with solar, a backup generator, everything that you need to living and start making memories that will last a lifetime. We are 73 Avenue. If you want a private viewing for this property, call the number below and set an appointment, and we will be more than happy to take you around and show this property. Thank you for watching, and see you at our next video.